Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be working on balancing postures. And the beauty of when we feel this deeper sense of balance within ourselves, how we can flow into more posture. So we find greater ease in our movement, greater ability, greater connection, and just the beauty of flow. So like greater ease in our movement and flow and ability, and just to feel more open and fluid through our movement. So we're going to begin on the mat. And we're just going to start with progressively deepening into greater posture movements. So as we work into these postures. So first posture we're going to work with is just tree pose. So tree pose is amazing because we can ground our left heel into our right inner thigh and feel the connection. So pressing the left heel or left foot into that right thigh. Hands to heart position, we can feel the sense of balance here in this posture. And this is what we call tree pose. You can inhale to rise energy up. Exhale to come down. Back to hands to heart, which we call Anjali Mudra. That connection to ourselves with love as we honor ourselves through this practice. So this is our first posture. This is actually really good also for opening up that left hip, so drawing that left knee out, which really opens up to that left hip. Nice, so this is our first posture. I'll do everything on one side, that way you can see the progressive flow from one side. And when we're talking about vinyasa, which is what I teach, more of a flow style, where we're moving from one posture into the next. Whereas some yoga practices, they might do one side and the other and then switch back and forth from one side to the other. This, because vinyasa is more of a flow style, we usually see a sequence on that one side before moving to the other side. So that's usually the difference between vinyasa, more of a flow style, and really connection to the breath through this practice as well. So we really emphasize the connection to the breath and moving energy and how we work with the energy in that way. Not to say that other practices don't do that. Okay, so first we're in our tree pose. In our tree pose, we call Vikshasana in Sanskrit. We feel that connection. We're also grounding down into the floor with our right foot, so we feel the connection into the mat, into the earth here. We feel stable, we're lifted through the crown, our heart is open. Our connection to our core, belly into spine. So there's just little things we start to connect to more, drawing that left knee out. So there's so much that we connect to in this posture. Now we're going to move into inhaling, rising, the arms up overhead, draw that left knee up. So we're going to go into one-legged mountain pose.